Hello, my name is Latrina, and I reached out this afternoon, actually this morning, and spoke with Liz to offer a custom video for Lee building maintenance. So I'm hoping that either April or Jason are watching this and can find the tips and tricks that I'm offering you to be helpful to your business as you continue to grow on the internet. Um, as I explained to Liz, this is totally free. There's no obligation or anything like that. I'm just trying to help out. We started this business, and part of our work is trying to do something for the community. So we're reaching out to small businesses and offering some guidance on some things that you can do to improve your online presence and continue to grow in this economy. The only thing we're asking is, if you don't mind, if it wouldn't be too much to ask, for you to shoot back a reply email to let us know if you found the video helpful at all. If you didn't find it helpful, that would be good to know as well, as we've been making quite a bit of these and we want to improve as well and make sure that we're providing a service that is actually useful. So thank you so much, and let me get started. So what I'll cover in this short video is content, backlinks, and citations, and why they are important. So content is anything that you find on your website, such as words, images, videos, or any media. And content is important because it allows you to get those relevant keywords onto your website. Ideally, you'd want to have 1,500 words to 2,000 on your home page and at least 500 on your back page. And I know that sounds like a whole lot, but it actually helps Google to get the essential information from your website and to figure out who are the experts in the field and to give them priority ranking. Citations are also very important as far as Google is concerned. So having your company listed in directories such as Google, Yelp, Yellow Pages is very important. I have a sample here on the screen for you to show you what a citation looks like. It's essentially just the company's name, address, and phone number. Again, you want to have as many of these or even more than your competitors in order to get highly ranked by Google and to maintain that ranking. And then there are backlinks. Backlinks are basically the placement of your website address on other websites. So if your website address appears on Facebook or Yelp, LinkedIn, Wikipedia, any of those are considered backlinks. And these backlinks direct traffic to your website. So you want to get more backlinks as possible. If you think of it this way, it's like a popularity contest. The more backlinks you have, the more popular your business becomes, the more Google sends traffic your way. But not all backlinks are created equal. So I do warn everyone when I'm making these videos to not just throw your backlinks up anywhere on the internet. They should be relevant backlinks. So you're in the business of janitorial, healthcare facilities, building maintenance. You'd want to have relevant backlinks on pages that relate to that topic. You would not have your backlinks on like beauty salons or bars or anything like that that is not related to the niche that you're in. So let's actually take a look at your website. I think I have it here. First of all, I love your website. It's very clean. It's very easy to follow. All the information that you have there is easy to get to. The one thing I would recommend is making sure that you expand on your content. Your homepage is lacking. It's not that you don't have useful information there. It's just that you could have more just to maintain your ranking with Google and to stand out as the expert in your field, which is what we're looking at right here, experts in healthcare facilities. So you want Google to know that you're the experts, okay? So when you have that content, you can throw up all the keywords that you need relevant to your business. The other thing I would say is take advantage of your images. You've saved them all as, I think, Lee Building Maintenance. Most people are not typing Lee Building Maintenance probably when they find you. They're probably typing like professional building maintenance, maybe, or healthcare facilities maintenance, possibly. So you know, janitorial services, cleaning service, professional cleaning services. Those are the things that you want to name your images, because The more keywords, as I mentioned earlier, the more keywords you have on your website, the more you appear to be the expert to Google, and you will get traffic um, to your website more than those who don't have targeted keywords, relevant keywords. So that's my recommendation to you for that. The other thing is, when I was looking over your website, it wasn't clear. I know you're in Frederick, which, by the way, I'm in Frederick also. It wasn't clear to me if you are exclusively providing services to Frederick. If you are providing services outside of Frederick, then I would recommend you use keywords that contain like the locations that you want to serve. Let me give you an example. So when we look at your organic keywords that you're currently using, you have Lee maintenance, Lee building, building cleaners, the Lee building, clean building maintenance, professional building maintenance. If you had something like this and added the same keyword, but Frederick, Maryland, for example, or Gaithersburg, Maryland, or something, just to expound, that gives you another edge over other companies, because you have not only the general keywords in there, but you have more specific keywords as well that point to the geographic area that you serve. I hope that makes sense. But yeah, so what I would do is kind of compare keywords that are being used by your competitors, your top competitors, and try to use some of those same keywords to get even a better reach than you have right now. Now, your location, when I go to Google and I type building maintenance, Frederick, Maryland, you do come up in the Google Map Pack, which is really great. This is prime real estate, so you want to do whatever you can to keep it. And the tips that I've given you will solidify your placement there. I don't think you're in any danger right away of losing it, but you do have the data that you have right now. You have somewhat good, like you have a lot of good keywords. You could use more backlinks for sure, more domains for sure. You're getting about 12 clicks per month. That's not, it's not horrible, but it's not the greatest either. So I would say take advantage of your placement in Google and start building this up. And this organic traffic here will increase if you add more content and you get more backlinks and start getting more referring domains. I'm not saying go out and get like 20 backlinks all at once, but if you add a few here, more there, eventually that number will rise, and hopefully this organic traffic will increase and you'll have more people coming to your website. Anyways, I went longer than I intended. I apologize for being long-winded. But I do hope that this information was helpful to you and that you can use some of it to continue to grow your business. If there was anything I went over too quickly or you need clarification, please don't hesitate to reach out. Otherwise, I look forward to receiving your feedback. Thank you so much, and I wish you much continued success in your business. Thank you. Bye-bye.